Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So today I would like to talk about fear in making mistakes while speaking in English. So the question is, have you guys ever felt like you are scared to speak in English? Maybe because you are afraid that you might make mistakes, or you are afraid that you might get judgment by other people when you try to practice your English. Well, at least for me, I've been through that a lot of times. I've been through that even right now, even until now, to this day. Still I have fear in certain occasion, but not as much as I used to do back then. So my tips to handle the fear that we have to practice our English is our mindset. Again, it's about our mindset. I think that the problem is not about making the mistakes while speaking in English. The problem is that what you do after making the mistakes, okay? Like, I think that we shouldn't be afraid of making mistakes, because making mistakes is part of life, it's part of the journey. Everyone makes mistakes. When you try to learn something, we made a lot of mistakes, right? Until we do not repeat them and we grow from them. So when it comes to learning English, make as much mistakes as possible and learn from them and grow. Okay? So again, I would say that I think that sometimes we were expected to be good in the first try, but no one is good in the first try. I mean, some people maybe, yeah, they make mistakes once, or maybe they're not making mistakes at all, they're just good at it. But most of the people, we need to try something over and over again, especially when it comes to English. When it comes to a language, most of the people, they will repeat the same mistakes over and over again until they really learn from them. And it takes time, to learn from mistakes. So if you make mistakes in English, grammar or maybe pronunciations or something, first take a pause. Try to observe which mistakes that you make, and do not stop there. After trying to observe, think about the solution. A lot of people, they stop in observing the mistakes and end up blaming themselves. Oh, I'm so stupid. I think that's true. I'm not gonna able to speak English. I made a lot of mistakes. I do not learn from them. Nope. Observing is not about that. Observing is about acknowledging that you make mistakes, acknowledging that you are not perfect, because no one is perfect, and finding a solution for that. Okay, I make this mistake, A, B, C, D. Now what can I do to grow, to be better? What can I do next? And you will be focused. Okay, A, B, C, D is something that I need to do. Okay, so the most important thing is about finding the solution after you making the mistakes, like what you can do to work on those problems, on those mistakes that you have made, on those weaknesses. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. You need to change your mindset, and you need to just don't care about other people. Like, people who are kind, they're not gonna judge you for making mistakes. They understand that you learn. So if you make mistakes in studying English, when you try to practice your English, and some people are judging you because of your accent, grammar, whatsoever, it means that they're not worthy of your attention and your time. Just ignore their comments, okay? Like, that is not gonna help you to be better individual. So just forget about them. Like, don't think about their judgment and all. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope that this is helpful and you like the video, and please share your experience also in the comment below, and bye bye. Thank you.